Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to disable, or if you want to say block, all the power button in your computer. Okay, so we go and start. Click in here, power. You see here, those are the power buttons: sleep, hibernate, shutdown, and restart. All of them, we can just disable them and you cannot find them anymore. Okay, so that's what I will show you today. We go to here, search, we write gpedit.msc. You can open this or the same of them are correct. So here we go to computer configuration, administrative template, and we open this. In here we click in start menu and taskbar. So here you found remove and prevent access to the shutdown, restart, sleep, and hibernate command. This is not configured. Right click in it, edit, we put it enable, apply. Okay, so now we check. We go to start, we click in here, and like you see, there are currently no power option available. Okay, so you just can't stop your computer. So to activate it again, we go back here, right click, edit, not configured, apply. Okay, we check again, we go start, here, power, and the buttons came back. So maybe you can ask yourself why I should ever need this. Okay, some people will need this, not all of them. The people who have a public place for the internet and you put many computer in it and the people came to connect to make something and go. Okay, maybe you can use this option to block who want to stop your computer or restart it or do something like that. Okay, we will see many tricks like this in the next video. I hope that you enjoy it and don't forget to subscribe in our channel. See you again in another video.